is going to organize a hands-on training session on animal handling and chromatographic techniques on 18th November 2023.
Myself, Dr. Mithun Bhomik, Principal, Bengal College of Pharmaceutical Sciences and Research, Durgapur. We are organizing a hands-on training workshop where students can learn about the ethical way of laboratory animal handling and various chromatographic techniques. Being a principal, I invite students from all the colleges to participate in this workshop and get real experience of this hands-on training from our distinguished faculties.
So, grab this wonderful opportunity. Hurry up, dear students, limited seats are only. Enroll now.